In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off bell and pop-ups notifications in Hubspot. Let's walk through this together step by step so you can clean up those distractions and focus on your work. Make sure you're logged into your Hubspot account and then look at the very top navigation bar. Toward the right-hand side, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click that. This will open up your main settings area where you can control all kinds of preferences for your account. Once the settings page loads, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This menu can be quite long, but what you're looking for is the section labeled Notifications. If you don't see it right away, scroll down until it appears, then click on it. This is where Hubspot groups all of your notification options in one place, so you can decide how and when you want to be notified. After you've opened the Notifications section, look toward the top of the page for a row of tabs. You'll see one labeled Desktop. Click on the Desktop tab. This is important because this tab specifically controls the notifications that appear on your computer, such as the bell icon alerts and the pop-ups that slide into the corner of your screen while you're working. On the Desktop tab, you'll see different toggles for the types of notifications Hubspot can send. Find the one labeled Bell. This controls the notifications that appear under the bell icon in the top bar of Hubspot. If you want to completely disable these bell notifications, switch this toggle to Off. Once it's off, Hubspot will stop sending new alerts to that bell area, which can really help if it's constantly filling up. Next, locate the toggle labeled Pop-up. These are the real-time browser alerts that usually show up in a small window on your screen while you're using Hubspot. To turn off all of those real-time pop-up messages, switch the pop-up toggle to Off as well. This is especially helpful if you're sharing your screen or just want a cleaner, distraction-free workspace. When you've turned both the bell and pop-up toggles to off, make sure you save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This final step ensures that your new notification preferences are actually applied and stay that way the next time you log in.